my name is Kenna. Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I've already opened up the box to see what I need, but let's get into it. Alright. Okay, so this box theme is Harvest, and the variation code on the card is 39. Alright, so we are going to get this first because it's sticking right there. This is the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. And this retails for $62. It's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. Alright. This is what it looks like. It says apply a pea-sized amount to cover entire face, neck, and apply twice daily. Let's see. Just put a little bit on my finger. I like the dropper. I don't smell anything, so that's always good. It's nice and soft. Okay. And the next thing in the box that we're going to take a look at is this. This is the, I'm going to mispronounce this, Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. Infused with good-for-you, clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. And this retails for $17. Alright, I need a good lip treatment. Put this on. Has a little smell to it, but not bad. My lips get so chapped during this colder season, so I'm really needing a good lip treatment, so I'm excited for that. Alright, and the next thing in this box that we're going to take a look at is this right here. This is the Natasha Denona Peak 5 eyeshadow palettes. And this retails for $48. Ooh. These are some really pretty fall colors. Alright, so it comes with 4 matte shades and 1 shimmer. I didn't swatch it in the best spot, but there are those shades there. Alright. So I'm gonna create a look and I'm gonna try to use all of the colors. Let's see what we can do with all of the colors. And my eyes are already primed. So, alright, so I'm gonna take this burnt orange color, and I'm pretty sure that's Jasper. It does have the names of the eyeshadows on the back. I'll put it on the outer corner here. Take it in just a little bit. These are very, very pigmented. Now I'm gonna take Amara, which is like a mauve pink, and I'm gonna put it right next to that orange more on my lid. gonna take Aya and put it on the inner part of my eye. Oop. Blend in with the orange a little bit and the pink. I'm gonna take Thorn and use it kind of like an eyeliner. Not the, I'm just put it right at the base of my lashes. I have Thorn a little bit darker on the outer corner and just kind of going in a little bit later as I'm going in the inner corner. Alright, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face makeup and then we will get into the last two products of the box and to finish the eyes. Now let's finish the eyes. I'm gonna take Thorn on the lower lash line. Just smudge it out mostly on the outer corner here. A little bit more into the middle. Okay. And then I'm gonna take Shine and put it on the inner lower corner. And the next thing in the box, let's go with this. This is the Bodyography Professional Cosmetics Eye Pencil Pack. This retails for $16. Come on. All right, so we have Black Walnut, which is a really dark brown. Onyx, which is a black, and I think I'm going to use the Black Walnut. All right, and the last thing in the box is this. This is the Beauty Creations Cali Glow, and this retails for $14.99. And guys. It is a summer glow all year long. Yes, please. The Cali Go highlight palette. So it's a highlight palette, and this is Malibu, Santa Monica, and Manhattan Beach. It says Malibu has a subtle champagne color. Santa Monica gives you the golden hour look all day long, and Manhattan Beach is the ultimate bronze look. I think I'm gonna go with Santa Monica. Might have been a little bit too much on my nose. Ooh. Yeah, it's very pretty. All right, and that's it for my box. And after adding everything up, it equals to $157.99, which is amazing. Now, I absolutely love the packaging of this serum. Of course, I'm gonna have to, try it a couple times to, figure out if I like it. But so far, so good. The lip treatment, I can always use lip treatment, so I'm excited for this, definitely. The eyeshadow palette, I absolutely love all these colors. It's a great fall palette. Now, when I was, applying my eyeshadow, it did come out a little patchy, but that could have just been, my fault and how I applied it, not letting my eye primer, sit long enough. But I absolutely love the look that I created. So can't go wrong with eyeliners. They're not bad, not as creamy or pigmented as I like, but you can always work with eyeliners. And the highlighter palettes, I always love highlights. I love how it looks on my skin. So yeah, all right, I think that's it. Let me know what you think about the products that I got in my box, what you got in your box if you have Boxycharm. And again, this is not a sponsor or an affiliation. I just absolutely love getting and trying brand new products, expanding my makeup collection. So especially with the box being only $25 a month and all the products equaling way over that. So, all right, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.